How you doing, Mike? Here's what I'm talking about. If I get this thing working like it should. Looks pretty good. Here we go. Okay. Alrighty. Now listen to this. Now, you know, I'm thinking we both know what's causing that. Okay. Now, the reason that I wanted this reel was so that I could have a beater reel, you know, rode hard, put away wet, but usable. I fully anticipated taking this thing, totally stripping it to the frame, and doing a clean and lube and inspecting everything, and maybe even putting in a pawl. I mean, I knew by the picture that I was looking at a neglect case. Okay? Rode hard, put away wet. I didn't expect to have to buy parts. Here's my solution. If you have a line on parts, I've got a BC 6600 Metalist schematic here. And they don't really give part numbers, but they give a reference, you know, exploded view reference. I can, on video, take this thing apart so you can see what's broken right now. I don't expect you to take care of something that isn't broken right now, because what I expected was a reel that worked great. Okay, it worked great. It needed to be clean and lubed, and you and I both know it, and I knew that, and that's okay. And if it hadn't been for this, for all this racket in here and the busted gear, it probably would work great. But you can't cast it like that with it trying to drive the level line back and forth through a busted pinion. I mean, you know, you can't do that. So anyways, I'll blow this thing apart on camera so you can see exactly what was broken when I open up the box. And if you've got a line on parts, hell, it may be nothing but the pinion gear. It may be the pinion and the idler. It may be the pinion, the idler, and the gear that's on the end of the worm shaft under here. Now, I don't know if that gear is available separately. According to the picture I'm looking at, that's what I got. They show the worm gear as part of the worm shaft. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about. If you can, there it goes, lock. If you can supply the parts. Now that felt like the level line hung up. Okay, so you know we may have a pawl issue here. I've got to take a harder look at it, which I would do when I blow it apart. Anyways, that's my idea. I wanted a reel. You say, why would I want to keep it? Well, I'd want to keep it so that I could use it. That's why I bought it, so I could use it. I know how to repair reels. I've been doing it since I was, I don't know, 12. You know. I've built models more complicated than these things, but one way or the other, there's another way around this. I didn't buy it because I didn't want a reel. I bought it because I wanted a reel that was already beat up. I didn't have to worry about scuffing it. It's scuffed. Same reason I buy used cars. Nobody keys a used car, you know what I'm saying? Catch you later.